Hey, Roger Magalhaes from Trading Up Consulting, working above ceiling. This is a branch of Chase. The people here lost the remote control, and I'm trying to reestablish commands on the remote on the motors through PowerCut. PowerCut is a command offered by Somfy that you can disconnect and connect the power back on a specialty sequency that allows you to copy the remote programming again into it. In order to do that, you need to access power, and the quick connectors are way up there, buried under those piece of wires and piece of steel. I don't have access to it. The only way I can get power is through the J box here. So what I did, I had an extension with a quick connector right there. I had to cut a piece to do wire nut and make my power with a power extension here, extension power cord, all the way up there. That way I can do my power cut and make the shades to work. As a matter of fact, this is shade 3, and I already have those all programmed. Roger Magalhaes from Trading Up Consulting, installation training for window treatment professionals. Thanks for watching.